Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so unbelievably excited to share today's video with you because I'm going to be showing off and reviewing a really beautiful collection from a very dear friend of mine. So if you're interested in getting all of the details on the Lashscoop X Glam with Suzan Lash Beauty Box, make sure to keep on watching. I am wearing one of the 5 lashes today. I'm going to go through all the details, how you can get the collection, everything. So if you're interested in that, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. And if you want all of the details on this collection, the collaboration, all of the tea, as well as how we think about the lashes as a whole, stay tuned. Okay, so before I get into what's in here, I am going to just give you the details. I will link the collection down below. It went live at 3 p.m. on the 18th, which is when I'm filming this. You're going to see this tomorrow on the 19th. So this is currently available. The link is down below. It is Lashscoop, which is the same people who make the Tribe Beauty Box. It is 5 pairs of lashes and it retails for $32.99, free shipping in the US and Canada. I have worn the Lashscoop lashes before and they wear really well. I got like 7 or 8 uses out of them and they're still good. Like I have the pair, these are not in the bundle, this is the pair that I have from them. And I've worn them like 8 times and they are still going strong. They claim you can wear these up to 30 times, and based on the way I have worn them, I can say I definitely see that being true. So first, we have this cute little insert card with my fabulous friend Suzan. I will link all of her socials down below. She is on Instagram as Glam with Suzan. She's on YouTube as Glam with Suzan. She also runs the BoxyCharm Sneak Peek Instagram account, so you've definitely heard of her. She is fabulous. She did write a cute little personalized note. So, hey babes, I can't believe the moment is here. Thank you so much for supporting my collaboration with Lashscoop. Each lash is named after important elements of my life, heritage, and people who have inspired me. It was such a dream selecting lash styles after my style, glam with a pop of color. Hopefully these lashes will inspire the inner artist in you. I'm excited to see the looks you can create, so be sure to tag me at Glam with Suzan. Love, Suzan. This is the epitome of Suzan. Bold, vibrant colors. I mean, you know, I'm not normally a bold, colorful kind of girl. Today, because of the lashes, I had to do it. So, the first lash is actually the one I'm wearing right now. They are in the style Negesti, but I don't know how to pronounce that. I will put a picture of the lashes because you can't exactly see how beautiful they are because I'm wearing them, because I'm wearing blue and green eyeshadow, and the lash fibers in here are black mixed with blue and green ombre fibers, which is the whole reason I did this look today, was I really wanted to showcase the colorful fibers within this lash. There is one more lash in here that also has the rainbow colorful, actually you can kind of see it on camera. You see the pinky red tips. This is Asmara. They are also a similar fluttery design like the ones I'm wearing. However, you'll notice at their tips they do have an orangey red, pinky red ombre. I'm going to pull them out so you can see them a little bit closer. But they are a beautiful lash. On camera they're looking a little more orange, but in person it's like an orange to red ombre. I know every time I get lashes like this, everyone's like, oh, you're going to throw a couple of pairs in a giveaway. Today I'm not. I'm keeping every single pair because they are beautiful. The next one is the the style Cat. You'll notice that they are a little bit more of a cat eye lash. They have a little bit more of a flared effect. And they are a very, very long fiber. Do you see how long these are? If I hold them to the side, you can see that these are super long. They will absolutely touch your brows if you're not used to wearing long lashes. The next 2 lashes are actually just as long as the cat lashes, and they also do not have color to them. They are Hannah and Libra. Libra is the one I'm going to go into first, which is a little bit more of a full lash. You'll notice that unlike some of the other styles, which were more of a fully smooth, this one is more large clusters, which based on the look, I think this is the one that Suzan's wearing in the picture. These remind me the most of Miami from Lily Lashes, which are a nice clustery lash. And the last pair are these really long, really wispy, and really dramatic lashes called Hannah. These are like the go-to style lash if you're doing something super dramatic, super glam, and like super bold. Like you guys know, this is about as bold as I go for eyeshadow because I typically like something a little more neutral and wearable, and I love wearing fun colors. And when I pick up a lash like this, my first reaction is to jump in and just start doing and going and being super intense. So I love when a lash inspires me to be even more creative. Now for the eye look today, I'm going to drop in a little bit of footage so you guys can see what I did. But I did use the Nikki Tutorials Beauty Bay palette, and I only used 3 shades. It was Underground, Ew, and Amsterdam, because they literally perfectly match the lash from the box. So I'm going to drop in a little bit of B-roll footage so you guys can see how we got this look right here, and I'll be right back. All right, now that you've seen how we got all the way through this look, you've gotten the details. Just a quick reminder, this is limited edition, so once it sells out, I don't believe they will be bringing it back. $32.99 for 5 pairs of lashes. It will give you free shipping in the US and Canada. You will get all 4 of the styles I showed, plus the one I'm wearing. So 5 styles of lash, and I just think it's really awesome. I mean, obviously, Suzan is my girl, so please represent, go share, spread this everywhere. Let everybody know because I want this to do well. I'm so proud of her. Congratulations, Suzan. Thank you so much for sending this over. And I'm really excited for Lashscoop Try Beauty Box, The Works, and the entire team behind this beautiful collaboration. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which lash pair you are most excited to get your hands on, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.